Chocolate covered pretzels. I forgot the M&M. So probably gonna do another batch. I'm sorry, I forgot. My brain is not working. I'll pick up M&M tomorrow. We do another batch tomorrow, okay? Look at the concentration.
Not in the pie, but there you go.
So pretty. Just like you.
She's so concentrated, she can't say anything.
Yeah, I'm also gonna do gingerbread cookie mix tonight for Maddie. I just need to get an egg and let this sit out a little bit longer. But still working on dinner. But I wanted to do something special for Maddie because she's not feeling the greatest. So I got these for the little button, and then I can't find the icing. I picked it up, but I don't know where it is. I don't know where it's at. Good morning. Seems like now when I start out the vlog, I'm like always going somewhere. That's because I'm always not prepared for anything. So yeah, it's 11:15. I just roll out of bed. Having a rough start to the day, but hey, it started. I have to go pick up dinner. I am low on gas. I'm like 15 miles to empty. That's nothing new. So I'm gonna go put gas because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna make it back home if I don't put gas. So I have to put gas. I have to pick up dinner. And then pick up dinner for tomorrow because I'm not doing this, and then pick up stuff for Rob to cook on his Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I think that's it. I'm not gonna go shopping for any other nothing. It's just gonna be just for food, and that's the only reason why I'm climbing out of my little hole is because I have to feed my family. And yeah, this is what happened when you suffer from depression, anxiety, and all of that. It sucks you into a hole. And for me, it's good that I have my family to that's dependent on me. So that's my driving force to get up and get going most days and function, because it's 11. I haven't even had breakfast. It's that bad. I haven't had breakfast. I haven't had breakfast. I haven't had anything to eat. I haven't had no coffee, nothing. I'm just running off of nothing. And I barely had anything to eat yesterday, so I don't know where my energy is coming from. But it's Wednesday. I hope you guys are having an amazing Wednesday, and I will see you guys when I get to the store. All right, so quick little haul. I got some ribs for dinner. This is a center cut. This is beef. So I picked up 3 packs. I think 3 packs can feed all 7 of us. Yeah. And then Rob wanted mac and cheese. And I don't feel like being bothered, so I picked this up. This was like $11. And each of these were like, this was $13.78. This was $13.05, and this was $12.54. I spent off all our grocery money for the week because I only have one more day to cook. And I got some chicken. It was on sale. So Mr. Rob is on his own. He's gonna have to figure out. Plus, it's payday on Friday, so he should be fine. Got some eggs. Got a stocking stuffer for a child. I gave something away. I gave something away to Maddie. Got some butter because we're going to be doing a ton of bacon. Got some beef stock. Got a ton of pasta sides because I thought these were the ones that I could redeem. I have to take these back because that's not what I was going for. It's a different one. That's why reading is fundamental. But I could keep them because they were only $1. So yeah, who cares? I got some home style mashed potato. I was gonna do this with the ribs for tonight's dinner. I like to mix them, and they had the family size, so I only got 2. Got this French onion because I want to put that on the chicken in the crock pot for tomorrow's dinner. Got a ton of these because they were on the Fetch reward for 500 or 700 points each. So I'm trying to stack up my points so I can go get some more stuff from Target for one more kid. I got cheese, and of course I ate half of it already in the car. I was just driving eating cheese, and I'm like, pretty sure people are probably staring at me like, where they do that at? Got some enlightened keto. This is only 1 gram of carbs. If you don't know, I'm doing lazy keto. So far I've lost like 7 pounds. But I'm doing lazy keto. Lazy keto is where I don't really care what I eat as long as I don't consume a bunch of carbs. And then I got these for the kids because they were on the Fetch reward also. So I got that. And then I got eggnog because Rob has this cream something, that belly cream something that I'm going to put in here for this weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and, oh, I didn't show you guys the little cookie things that we made. They were a hit. The kids and Rob liked them. I forgot to get the M&M. I forgot to get the M&M yesterday. I forgot the M&Ms again today because I was going to bake some more of those for the kids because they really love them. And it's not too bad because it's just Hershey's chocolate and a couple pretzels. So, and I forgot the M&Ms. So, but I took out the dough for the gingerbread. And I'm going to let this sit out so that we can go ahead and cut the shapes out and bake them. I'm going to go get me some coffee because I really do need it like ASAP, like right now. And then figure out what else I need to get done for the day. I want to see a sneak peek of somebody's present. Oh my gosh. It came in. What if you guessed it, that I was doing Yeti again, and this is only one of 2, so there's another one that I got him. So this year I'm getting him 2, and then next year I'm getting him 3, and so on and so forth, but I'm collecting the black color for him. So that's a little sneak peek of what Rob is getting. Oh, I wanted to get him the cooler for his lunches because he takes lunch to work. I wanted to get him that, but we set a certain amount of budget for each other, and had I got him the cooler, I wouldn't have been able to get him his other gifts. So I was like, yeah, maybe next year. You know, never know what may happen next year. Maybe we get more money in here. Maybe I find a job. Picture that. Guys, I'm still waiting on my phone. But I have a problem. I seriously have a problem. I got all of these from Shein. And I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max because I love big things. I've always had iPhone Pluses. I've never had a small phone. I think the smallest phone I ever had was when they first came out. So, there's that. I love this one. She's cute. I don't know why I got this. Summertime, maybe. And then there's this one. This one of my favorite. This is my favorite. It's so soft. And then this one. I'm making the kiddos a little snack bowl with what's left over from the little thing. So I heated up what was left over, and then I added some more chocolate in here, and then I'm gonna pour this into this and then mix it up. It's like a Nutty Buddy situation. Now I'm gonna sit it in the fridge and let it harden, and this is gonna be their afternoon snack. So good.
Is it?
I stuck that in the freezer. And I'm gonna pull it out in about 15 minutes. I'm gonna make me some coffee because I need the energy. And I got these little keto bar. Clear. 3 minutes. I'm gonna need my charger, Destiny.
Okay.
These, the Enlightened marshmallow peanut butter, so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so good. This is my second one. So good. So good. So if you're on keto and you're looking for a nice treat, get these. This is what they look like. Not bad, right?
Yeah.
The only thing you gotta let it sit out for about 5 minutes for it to come together. It tastes better if you let it sit. For instance, if you take it straight out the freezer and try to eat it, it's not gonna taste the same. So let it sit for a little bit and then you can eat it. It is so good. Guys, I gotta do her hair. I gotta do Destiny's hair tomorrow. But it lasted, let's see, let's be all up in her scalp. Oop, not her face. It's starting to get a little frizzy. Still haven't done Maddie's. And this is how horrible I am. I need my charger, like right now. I'm rewashing a load of laundry that I washed the other day. You need to ask your daddy to buy you a charger for yourself. I need my charger. Give me my charger. You don't have a charger. Give me my charger. Give me my stuff. Y'all gonna stop taking my things. These kids think that me and them are a size. Me and you is not no size. They stay down here, I stay upstairs. This is the growing pile of laundry that I have to put away. Ain't gonna happen today. That's for dang sure, because I have to go edit now. I got 2 more packages. Hey, why is there so much stuff on my stairs? Why is that there? At least today they rang the doorbell. It's cold. I don't want to go out there. Ah! Can somebody go get it? Thank you, Jordan.
Where?
Right there. Yeah, it's freezing. Thank you, Jordan.
Yep.
Let's lock this. Because I don't know why it was unlocked. Yep.
Oh, you
Lucky.
touched that.
Lucky. There's 2 packages. I don't know. I have 1 more. No, I have 2 more packages coming in. So I think I don't know. I feel like I lost count of packages. I have to go see. This is not mine. This is Rob's. But I'm gonna stash it for him. I think I know what it is. I think it's my gift. And I picked it out. I picked out the color. So I'm so excited that it's there. And I know I asked for it. So, but it's not the color I wanted, which is like a bummer. But at the same time, a lot of people were saying the color that I want don't really go with a lot of accessories. So they were saying to get the color that I got because it goes well with everything. So I'm so excited. It's there. So that's Rob's. I'm not going to open it, even though I know what's in there. So bizarre. So weird. Should I open it? Nah. I'm going to let him open it. But it's there though. Guys, I could cry right now. My crock pot gave out. I put on my food since, oops. Woo! Actually, I put my food on since 1 o'clock and it wasn't cooking. It's 3:43. I'm freaking out right now. Because Rob is going to be home in less than an hour and The ribs aren't done. It went out. It wasn't cooking.
It died? It's not
Oh.
working?
The light. Oh my gosh, guys. So I came downstairs and I'm coming to check it. The last time I checked it, it was warm. So I was like, okay, it's working. And I came back about 2 hours later thinking, you know, it's something is going on. I checked it. It was cold as ever. So I looked at the knob to make sure I put it on high. And it legit went out. Like the crock pot went out. I think Rob put a spell on it because Rob was like, I'm sick of the crock pot. He's like legit. He's like, I want some texture. And I think he put his mouth on my crock pot because I've had this crock pot for years. This crock pot been rocking with me longer than most friends that I know around here. But anyways, the crock pot went out on me. And I'm legit sad. I think Rob's home. Guys, this is why I bought the eggnog. So Rob could have his spiked
Irish cream?
His spiked eggnog.
Listen, that looks like.
Is it good?
That looks like.
I have to roll the cookies. It's good?
Taste it.
Get the boys, tell the boys to start collecting the garbage.
Hey, where the fuck is dark?
So I'm cooking dinner, but it's not gonna be done by the time this video go up. So probably vlog a little bit of it and throw it in here for tomorrow. No, throw it in tomorrow's video so you guys can see how it turned out. Because it's 4:29 and I gotta go export the video because I'm doing daily in the moment. So when you're seeing it, I vlogged it that day. So yeah. Whatever she said. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. They turned out great, right? And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.